Okay, so I'm just doing the finishing the refrigerant draining on the rest of these. It's all out. I got these two those pop machines. The one, I think this was the one that I found found the $40 in. Oh no, maybe it was this one. It was this one here. And those dummies. Oh, hi baby. Look at those fools. Where'd you get those dogs?
No way I can return them.
What's happening? No?
That's an inside toy.
There's a bunch of inside toys out here.
That's an
I know they're inside toys.
inside toys that are out there.
I know. I was just doing a video.
Oh, yeah, I see that.
Did you come out to do the scrap off?
What now?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, because we have the day off.
I have tomorrow off.
I might not, though. Hey!
Get your dogs.
Hey! Get over here. Idiots. Oh, you got gloves.
I always have gloves.
That's smart.
My hands are delicate.
So this, oh, just a second. We're going to have a barrier between us, but that's going to be your machine right there. And what we're going to do,
Right here?
yep, is we're going to see how much copper is in them. So this one over here is going to be my machine.
Yours is a lot bigger.
I've never opened one of these, so I don't know how much copper's in them, but the yeah, yours, I took the top off of mine because the top was off of yours. Have to be fair, baby. So I don't know what all tools you want. Just the hammer. You can't do it all with it. Oh, you're taking my drill too. I guess that.
I can do it all with the hammer. It'll just be faster with the drill.
All right, I love your confidence.
I don't have confidence. I have skill.
All right. Okay, so are we doing this now?
Let's go.
Okay. All right. I'll give you a head start.
I don't need a head start.
Well, I'll give you one anyhow. I got to get this stuff off of mine. So, anyways, I'm doing the oh, I can't remember what this one's called. Oh, LXi. So, oh, she's already going over there. I got to get my thing. Oh man, I should have thought about this beforehand. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to get this. I gotta have to get this thing set up in the. Where's my tripod thing? Okay. Okay. Well, this has to get here. Is that better? Oh. Hammer not working for you? I'll bleep that out. Okay, set this back up. So now, this I'm gonna need a screwdriver. Whoa! What the hell? No!
I gotta go. Love you.
I haven't even got my top off yet.
Bye.
Well, that's embarrassing. Well, how much copper's there? Let's see if she's right. She said 12 pounds. Oh, that was... I guess I was a little too confident. All right. Oh, that's in kilograms. 5.2 kilograms. Well, I guess we'll see. She didn't scrap the rest. Well, I guess that wasn't the deal. It was just get the copper out. Sneak attack. Anyways, now I guess I'll I'll shut this down and come back when I get this thing apart. All right, so I don't know. This one's it's a pain. I gotta. A bunch of those screws won't come out. I guess I could just take the grinder to it, but I can see lots of copper in there. Yeah, I'll keep going at it. So far I've been probably 20 minutes since the Victoria left. Okay, so I don't know. I guess I see that comes out. I have to go back through and watch some videos. I know That's Right Recycling. I think he had some old videos on these. Possibly Roger. I think Big Country maybe did one like this too. I can't remember which one his was. Anyhow, I've already lost the contest, so I'll hang my head in shame and I'll come back and do this another day.